Subscribe to Android Discovery channel. And press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. OnePlus recently has announced the OnePlus 8T Cyberpunk 2077 limited edition with a 12GB plus 256GB version to promote Cyberpunk 2077 edition game. This custom smartphone edition will officially be launched on November 11th. As per Chinese media. It is understood that this is a highly customized mobile phone that OnePlus has reached in cooperation with Polish game developer CD Projekt Red. It not only quotes the cyberpunk theme design in the appearance but also introduces game elements into the system, including fingerprints. Details such as unlocking and game sound effects. OnePlus 8T Cyberpunk 2077 limited edition rear shell adopts a new three-stage design. The upper layer is a panoramic window, showing the order and future of cyberpunk high-tech. The middle layer is a special snow AG glass, representing high-tech and low-tech, the unknown possibility between life. The bottom layer is forged carbon texture, reproducing the complex and disordered life state of Night City. Not only that, the OnePlus 8T Cyberpunk 2077 limited edition is equipped with OnePlus's most customized system. At the same time, the system application icons are redrawn. The bright neon color is more cyberpunk. The notification light effect simulates the flashing effect of neon lights when power is on. The fingerprint unlocking animation corresponds to the artificial eye scan in the game, and the charging animation simulates the process of hackers hacking, etc. Pete Law, the founder and CEO of OnePlus, said that OnePlus 8T Cyberpunk 2077 limited edition restores the relationship between visual design and functional design in the cyberpunk world, full of surprises. In terms of configuration, the Cyberpunk 2077 limited model is the same as the standard version. It is equipped with a 6.55-inch full screen, equipped with Snapdragon 865, equipped with LPDDR4X memory plus UFS 3.1 flash memory, 16MP front, 48MP main camera plus 16MP ultra-wide angle plus 2MP black and white sensors. The battery is 4500 mAh, supports 65 watts flash charge. So friends, expected if you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I need your love and support. I will continue to bring you such exciting technology videos every day. Thank you.